The Rent Smart Wales Code of Practice sets out the standards for letting and managing private rental properties. It is intended to help landlords and agents understand the law and how to run their rental business professionally and lawfully. Landlords and agents who hold a Rent Smart Wales licence must abide by the requirements of the Code of Practice. This is a condition applied to every licence, and failure to abide by the code could result in the licence being revoked. The code is set out in two parts. 1. Requirements, which set out what landlords and agents must do in order to comply with the law. 2. Best practice, that sets out additional activities that responsible landlords may choose to follow. The document is really easy to read and provides a helpful summary and reference point. The code helps you to get things right first time. Think about 1. Before you let a property. How would you choose an agent to give you confidence that the asset and income source are protected? How would you market and advertise lawfully? 2. Setting up a tenancy. What tenancy agreement should you use? Can you add additional terms? What documentation are you legally required to show the tenant? What arrangement should you make for a deposit and how should it be protected? 3. During the tenancy. You should put in place arrangements to avoid problems occurring or to resolve them quickly when they happen. It's all about being prepared. Think about contact details, periodic inspections, rent collection. 4. Ending a tenancy. Following the correct procedure for terminating a tenancy and repayment of deposit is essential. Basic errors can lead to a breakdown in the relationship with the tenant and the landlord being out of pocket. Do you have it covered? Take time to study the code. You might find a gem of information that will protect your asset and save you valuable time. Compliance with the Code of Practice is a condition of every license. Invest in getting it right to get good results. To download the Code of Practice, head over to the Useful Guides and Downloads page on our website. For more information, get in touch with Rent Smart Wales.